Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin using your Exodus wallet. First, ensure your Exodus wallet is fully set up and ready for transactions. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started, from funding your wallet to completing your first Bitcoin purchase. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and securely, making it easy to acquire digital assets. To begin, you'll need to fund your Exodus wallet. You can deposit funds using various methods, such as connecting a bank account or a debit card. Select your preferred fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, and follow the on-screen instructions to securely transfer your money into the wallet, preparing it for your Bitcoin purchase. Once your wallet is funded, navigate to the Exchange section within your Exodus application. Here, you will select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you wish to acquire. Enter the specific amount of Bitcoin you want to buy or the fiat currency equivalent, and the system will display the current exchange rate and any associated fees. Before finalizing, carefully review all the transaction details, including the amount of Bitcoin, the total cost, and any fees. If everything looks correct, confirm your purchase. Your Bitcoin will then be processed and should appear in your Exodus wallet shortly, ready for you to manage or send as you wish. Congratulations on your new Bitcoin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.